The GoPro Hero11 is a top-of-the-line waterproof action camera designed for capturing high-quality videos and photos in extreme environments. It records in 5.3K at 60 frames per second, delivering Ultra HD video with stunning clarity, while the dual LCD screens on the front and back make it easy to frame shots from any angle. Equipped with HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization for smooth footage, even in intense action, the Hero11 is ideal for adventurous creators. Additionally, it supports 1080p live streaming and comes with an Enduro battery that enhances performance in cold weather. This GoPro also includes a 1-year international and 1-year India warranty for added peace of mind. Users love the GoPro Hero11's stunning 5.3K video quality with 60 frames per second capture that brings out details, making it perfect for high-speed action and cinematic shots. The HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization has received high praise, allowing for ultra-smooth footage even in rough environments like mountain biking or water sports. The Enduro battery is another standout, extending battery life in colder conditions and providing dependable performance for long recording sessions. Many also appreciate the dual front and rear LCD screens, which are ideal for vlogging and offer convenient framing for both selfies and traditional shots. While the GoPro Hero11 is highly capable, a few users noted some limitations. The battery life may still drain faster in 5.3K or live streaming modes, especially in warmer conditions, meaning additional batteries might be necessary for extended shooting. Some users also mentioned that the camera can occasionally overheat during prolonged 5.3K recording, which may require cooling intervals. Additionally, while the dual LCD screens add versatility, the smaller front screen can feel limiting for detailed framing, which could be an adjustment for those using it as a primary vlogging camera. The GoPro is an exceptional action camera for capturing high-quality, stabilized footage in any environment. With its 5.3K video, hypersmooth stabilization, and versatile dual screens, it's a powerful tool for creators and adventurers alike. While battery life in high-resolution modes and occasional overheating may be considerations, its durability, advanced features, and improved cold-weather battery make it an ideal choice for capturing all the action, from water sports to mountain trails. For more info and in-depth insights, catch the detailed review on Gen X Reviewer.